What is the process for withdrawing money from Pyypl?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to be exploring the simple and convenient process of withdrawing money from your Pyypl account. Whether you're a long-time user or just starting with Pyypl, this guide will provide you with everything you need to know to get your money out when you need it.
What is Pyypl?
For those of you who might not know, Pyypl is a digital banking service. It allows you to store money, make transactions, and even take loans with just a few clicks on your phone. Withdrawing money from Pyypl is an easy and straightforward process.
Ensure you have a linked bank account.
To start, you'll need to have a bank account linked to your Pyypl account. This bank account is where the withdrawn money will be transferred. If you have not linked a bank account yet, follow Pyypl's guide on adding a bank account to your Pyypl account.
Begin the withdrawal process.
Once your bank account is linked, you can start the withdrawal process. Go to your Pyypl account dashboard. Here, you will see an option for Transfer Money. Click on this, and then select Transfer to your bank.
Input the amount to withdraw.
Next, you will need to input the amount of money you want to withdraw. Ensure the entered amount does not exceed your Pyypl balance. After inputting the amount, confirm your bank details are correct.
Confirm and complete the transaction.
After checking all the details, click Next, and you will be asked to confirm the transaction. Once you have confirmed, the process is complete. Pyypl will begin transferring the money to your bank account. And that's it. It's as simple as that to withdraw money from your Pyypl account. Please note that it might take a few business days for the money to appear in your bank account due to bank processing times. We hope this guide was helpful, and as always, if you have any further questions or encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Pyypl's customer support. Happy banking!